What if you're an Android user like me? Don't worry, we got you. First of all, you're going to click on the send icon in the middle bottom of the screen. Once here, you can choose how you want your money to arrive. That's mobile money account, bank account, or to another Nala user's wallet. Now let's add the details of the person you wish to send money to and create a new recipient. You can also enable your phone contacts to choose a recipient from your contact list. Great. Now key in the amount you wish to send and it will show what they'll receive. In this case, I'm going to send her £10. Now, let's select the payment method. Click on Continue with Google Pay, and a navigation screen should pop up, prompting you to select the card from your Google Pay wallet. Follow the prompts, and the payment should be sent via Google Pay.